Hello and welcome to this episode of Digi Global Pan Vision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by Pinky Fashions, Mangalore.
First, the news headline from abroad. Billava Balaga Dubai gets Ashok Anchan as its new president. News headlines from Mangalore. Excise police sees spurious liquor in Tokkattu. South India level powerlifting championship begins at Town Hall. Platinum Jubilee joy for Catholic Board of Education. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from Mega Konkani concert held in Dubai, a dance from Marn Soban held at Kalangan, and a song from Konkan Showers held in Dubai.
Pinky Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for ₹150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for ₹125, 2 chudidar materials. Short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. 2 baba suits, ₹80 only. 2 shirt pieces, ₹110 only. 2 pant pieces, ₹120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
News in detail. Billava Balaga Dubai, an association that celebrated its 10th anniversary recently, has got a new president. Ashok Anchan recently took the charge as a new president along with the other office bearers. The committee members of Billava Balaga Dubai unanimously elected Ashok Anchan as its new president. Young and enthusiastic member Ashwin Salian has been elected as the General Secretary. Sudhakar Salian will be the new Joint Secretary. Ashok Anchan has been living in Dubai for almost 20 years and is actively involved with Billava Balaga Dubai for the last 10 years. Despite of stringent measures being taken up by the excise department, the racket that sells spurious liquor is very much active in this coastal city. The excise police arrested a bar owner and seized spurious liquor from his residence in Tokkattu on Tuesday, December 4th. The ban on the sale of Erek in the state, starting from April 1st this year, has given rise to the sale of illegally manufactured liquor. This was evident when the excise police in Mangalore arrested a bar owner for indulging in preparing the spurious liquor on Tuesday, December 4th. Acting on a tip-off, personnel of Excise Department led by Officer Sadananda Hegde arrested K. Ravindra, a resident of Kapikad in Tokkattu, who owns 4 bars situated in Mangalore.
ತೊಕ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಕಾಪಿಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಎಂಬವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 17 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಷ್ಟು ಗೋ ಮತ್ತು ನಕಲಿ ಮದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿಸಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಯಂದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗಳಷ್ಟು ನಕಲಿ ಮದ್ಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಅವರದೇ ಆದಂಥ 4 ಬಾರ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಕಲಿ ಮದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬಾರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಸಲಿ ಮದ್ಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇದಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬಕಾರಿ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಂಡು ವಿಶೇಷ ತಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ನಾಮ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
The police seized 25 boxes of spurious liquor worth ₹50,000 and a vehicle used for the purpose from him. Bodybuilding and powerlifting are related to each other. That is why one of the oldest and popular gyms of Mangalore, Balanjaneya Gymnasium, is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee year by organizing a South India level powerlifting championship at Town Hall. Mangaloreans can now watch some real fight at the championship, as big names in the powerlifting game have gathered there at the Town Hall. South India Level Powerlifting Championship 2007, organized by Balanjaneya Gymnasium to mark its Diamond Jubilee celebration, was inaugurated on Tuesday, December 4th at Town Hall. KP Sucharita Shetty, President of Dakshin Kannada Jilla Panchayat, inaugurated the 4-day event.
ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ 60 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಿಮ್ನೇಷಿಯಂನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹಲವಾರು ಸುಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟವನ್ನ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪವರ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
The championship will conclude on Friday, December 7th. The event has been organized in assistance with Karnataka State Powerlifting Association. Satish Kumar Kudroli, Secretary, Balanjane Gymnasium, Purandaradas Kulur, former MP Vijay Kumar Sorake, former MLA Yogish Bhatt, former Corporator Divakar, KV Shanbag, DGM of Syndicate Bank, PJ Joseph, Vice President of Karnataka Powerlifting Association, Vasant Salian, Alexander Matthew, P. Mallesh were present. A total of 300 powerlifters from Karnataka and the neighbouring states, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry are participating in the championship. The powerlifting competitions have been organized for both men and women in senior, junior and sub-junior categories. We have a story on the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Catholic Board of Education of Mangalore Diocese after the short break. So stay tuned.
Pinky Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for ₹150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for ₹125, 2 chudidar materials, short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars, 2 baba suits, ₹80 only, 2 shirt pieces, ₹110 only, 2 pant pieces, ₹120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು. ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings. Jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. Christian missionaries brought revolution in the field of education in Mangalore. Today, Catholic Board of Education of Mangalore Diocese runs more than 300 schools in Dakshin Kannada, Udupi and Kasaragod district. The board celebrated its Platinum Jubilee on Tuesday, November 4th. The Catholic Board of Education of Mangalore Diocese, which is running over 360 schools in Dakshin Kannada, Udupi and Kasaragod districts, completed 75 years. To celebrate the occasion, the board organized a function at Milagros Pre-University College premises on Tuesday, December 4th. Union Administrative Reforms Commission Chairman M. Veerappa Moily stated that imparting education to the poor should be the motive of all the educational institutions.
ಸರ್ವ ರೀತಿಯ ಜನಜಾಗೃತಿ, ಸರ್ವ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸೇವಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಥಲಿಕ್ ಮಿಷನರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಸೆಲ್ ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ.
Union Minister for Labour Oscar Fernandez released the souvenir.
ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ is going to be a destination for education, a destination for medical tourism, is going to be a destination for scientific research. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರ ಹತ್ರ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ, ಬರೀ ನಾವು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು we have to get ready to face the challenges so that our children will have advantage to get positions in the committee of the nations, not only within the country, in the committee of nations.
Monsignor Dennis Morris Prabhu, the Vice President of CBE, delivered the introductory remarks. Veerappa Moily felicitated former Vice Presidents of CBE, Monsignor Alexander de Souza, Monsignor Aloysius de Souza, and Monsignor Fred V. Pereira. Dr. Aloysius Paul de Souza, the Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and the President of CBE, presided over the function.
ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅನೇಕರ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ದೂಷಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವುದು ಲೇಸು ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಬಡವರ, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದವರ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾತಿ, ಮತ, ಧರ್ಮ, ವರ್ಗ ಭೇದವನ್ನು ಏನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಸದೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Walter Nandalike, Editor-in-Chief of DaijiWorld.com, Father Baptist Menezes, Episcopal Vicar of Udupi, MLC Captain Ganesh Karnik, former MLA Yogesh Bhatt, former Ministers Ramanath Rai and Nagraj Shetty, Professor K.M. Kaveri Appa, Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Father Walter De Mello, Father Wilson De Souza, Secretary of CBE, were present. Well, it's time for us to take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs for you. So don't miss this. Stay tuned to us.
Pinky Fashions, for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for rupees 150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for rupees 125, 2 chudidar materials, short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars, 2 baba suits, rupees 80 only, 2 shirt pieces, rupees 110 only, 2 pant pieces, rupees 120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Cross Road, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು. ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು. ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
काळजाच्या या अवतारी भेटला तुका मोगा
चिंता चिंतून लिहिता
देखला एकले बाय सुबीत माणिक हाय आजा पोरी दिसला माणिक मोगाचे काणिक देवाचे माकास तू निर्मिल्ले तुझ्या आणि तुझ्या मध्ये कोण दुश्मन बाय सांग मका एका स्मरण स्वप्नानी तुका हांव देखतलो दायरा ओ
येडूं सोबायेचे ताचे दोळे ते माजराचे पयल्यास दिसतीन रे म्हजे